Hello, and welcome back to Mood Nutrition, your go-to channel for exploring the fascinating connection between what we eat and how we feel. Today, we're delving deep into the world of neurotransmitters and how the foods we consume can significantly impact our mood and overall well-being, and how the right foods can supercharge your brain for better mental health and overall wellness. So, let's dive right in. Before we embark on our culinary journey, let's first understand the powerhouse players behind our brain's mood regulation: neurotransmitters. These chemical messengers play a pivotal role in influencing our emotions and mental well-being. Here are some key neurotransmitters you should know about. Number 1. Serotonin. Often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, serotonin helps regulate mood, sleep, and appetite. It's associated with feelings of happiness and contentment. Number 2. Dopamine. Known as the reward neurotransmitter, dopamine is involved in pleasure, motivation, and reward-seeking behavior. It plays a crucial role in our ability to experience pleasure and satisfaction. Number 3. Endorphins. These neurotransmitters act as natural painkillers and mood enhancers. They're released in response to activities like exercise, laughter, and certain foods, creating feelings of euphoria and well-being. Number 4. Gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA. GABA is the brain's primary inhibitory neurotransmitter, responsible for calming the nervous system and reducing anxiety. It promotes relaxation and helps alleviate stress. Number 6. Glutamate. As the brain's primary excitatory neurotransmitter, glutamate is involved in cognitive functions such as learning and memory. However, imbalances in glutamate levels can contribute to neurological disorders like epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. Number 7. Noradrenaline. Also known as norepinephrine, this neurotransmitter plays a key role in the body's fight-or-flight response. It helps mobilize the body's resources during stressful situations and enhances alertness and focus. Now that we understand the neurochemical orchestra within our brains, let's explore how we can nourish them with the right foods. Remember, while foods themselves don't contain neurotransmitters, certain nutrients can help support their production and function. When it comes to grocery shopping, it's all about making smart choices that promote optimal brain health. A handy tip is to stick to the outer perimeter of the store, where you'll find fresh, whole foods bursting with nutritional goodness. Think vibrant produce, succulent fruits, lean meats, and omega-3 rich fish. These foods are packed with healthy proteins, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that act as fuel for your brain, promoting the production and balance of neurotransmitters. Plus, they're free from the additives and preservatives commonly found in processed foods. Now let's talk about the foods that boost serotonin. Maintaining healthy serotonin levels is essential for fostering feelings of happiness, ensuring restful sleep, and promoting an overall uplifted mood. Fortunately, there are several foods that can naturally enhance serotonin production in the brain. Eggs, rich in tryptophan, which is a precursor to serotonin. Eggs can help elevate serotonin levels and contribute to mood regulation. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon and trout are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which support serotonin synthesis and promote brain health. Turkey. Another tryptophan-rich food, turkey can aid in serotonin production and contribute to feelings of calmness and well-being. Mangoes, kiwi, bananas, walnuts, flaxseed, chia seeds, and sunflower and sesame seeds are other examples of foods that boost serotonin levels. Let me tell you about the foods that boost dopamine. Dopamine plays a crucial role in regulating the brain's reward centers, influencing feelings of pleasure, motivation, and overall well-being. Maintaining optimal dopamine levels is essential for supporting memory, mood, sleep, and cognitive function. Here are some foods that can naturally boost dopamine production. Citrus fruits, berries, aged cheeses, avocados, eggs, and fish. Next up, let's discuss foods related to GABA. Understanding the importance of neurotransmitters like GABA can lead to better sleep and reduced anxiety. GABA acts as a calming agent in the brain, promoting relaxation and tranquility. Including these GABA-enhancing foods in your dinner can make a significant difference. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut offer probiotics that boost GABA levels, supporting a healthy gut-brain axis. Brown rice, leafy green vegetables such as spinach, beans, oranges, and almonds are also beneficial for promoting GABA synthesis and reducing anxiety. Now we have to explore the link between mental and physical health. The symbiotic relationship between mental and physical health is profound, with each influencing the other in a delicate equilibrium. Research underscores the interconnectedness, revealing that compromised mental health often paves the way for physical ailments. In conclusion, by understanding the impact of neurotransmitters on our mood and well-being, and making informed food choices, we can optimize our brain health and overall quality of life. So, next time you're at the grocery store, remember to prioritize fresh, whole foods that nourish both body and mind. The symbiotic relationship between mental and physical health is profound, with each influencing the other in a delicate equilibrium. Research underscores the interconnectedness, revealing that compromised mental health often paves the way for physical ailments. Picture the brain as a personalized pharmacy, diligently concocting the requisite chemicals for emotional equilibrium. When this delicate balance is disrupted, the repercussions echo throughout the body, rendering waking up on the wrong side of the bed a recurrent theme. Finally, by nurturing our brains with the right foods and understanding the link between mental and physical health, we can embark on a journey towards holistic well-being. So, let's make conscious choices to fuel our minds and bodies and reap the rewards of a harmonious and balanced life. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration, and until next time, remember to feed your mood with nutritious foods.